Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get Applinked to your device as well as the best codes to use in that app. This way you'll be able to download a lot of top-class applications to your Firestick, which are not available in the official Amazon App Store. In other words, this way you can jailbreak your Firestick or fully load your device. And that will give you access to loads of content for free, which is amazing, and basically that's the reason why we love Firestick so much. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to set it up on your device. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device. There it is, there is a search bar, open it, and start typing Downloader in the search. As you can see, there was even no need to enter the whole name of the downloader because it already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on it, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. However, after you get the downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up the downloader, we'll go to settings. Let's do it. Let's go to the right side, click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and open My Fire TV. Here, you have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. To do so, just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. And here you'll find the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, we got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to France right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same amazing deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we need to open the Downloader application, there it is. Then it's really important that on the left side menu you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, click on Home, and here in that search bar we need to enter a link, which is going to be applinked.store. So let's enter it. So it's applinked. .store. Just like that, you can see the exact link on your screen right now, so make sure to enter it as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make any mistake, the link is not going to work. Then you have to click on Go, and now a website should open. And while it loads, make sure to subscribe my channel so you could get even more content about Fire Sticks, and please hit the like button if you find this video helpful. It really helps us a lot. Then when the website opens, all you have to do is click on that Download Applinked button. We click on it, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then click on Install right here and wait until Applinked gets installed to your Firestick. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we don't really need it anymore on our device. Then, when the installation is finished, Applinked is going to appear in the list of your applications, but first of all, I recommend you to go to Settings. Once again, click on that button with the gear icon, scroll down, go to My Fire TV, Developer Options, Install Unknown Apps, and from here you have to turn that option for Applinked as well, because we'll be using it to install other applications from the internet, so that's a must for us. Now, finally, let's go to the list of applications. Scroll down. Here at the bottom you'll find Applinked. Now I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. You click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, Applinked is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time needed. Of course, don't forget to keep your VPN connected before accessing Applinked to stay safe and out of trouble. Once again, you can get 3 months of NordVPN for free if you just use the link below this video or go to topvpnoffer.com. Then finally, let's open Applinked. And from here, you have to click on Add a Store button, and there we'll be entering our codes. So let's take a look at the first code of today. It's going to be 19850000. So once again, 19850000. Then you have to click on Next and click on Add. And now this code that we just entered is going to appear here in the saved stores. So click on that Saved Stores menu, and as you can see, that store is right here. So now we have to click on Open, and this store has opened. Here I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact applications available inside, but in your case, of course, nothing is going to be blurry. But still, I can describe you what kind of apps you are going to find here. So first of all, you'll find a lot of decent movie applications. All of them are updated and should work fine. Also, there's an app to watch documentary movies online, so that's also a nice touch. Then there are some live TV or IPTV players where you can add your own M3U link or your playlist to watch live TV online. Then you'll find even more movie applications and quite a bit of sports apps which you can use to watch live sports from all over the world. Also a couple of adult applications if you are into that content. And then again, loads and loads of different movie applications. So if you are into movies or TV shows, this app is definitely going to be great for you. And there's a lot of sports content as well. So that was our first code of the day. Let's go back now and I'll show you even more codes. So now we have to click on Add a Store again, and the code is going to be 786, 786, and 786. So it's just 786 for 3 times in a row. Then we click on Next, click on Add, go to Save Stores, click on that list and select the newly added store from our list. There it is, click on Open. Once again, I had to blur out my screen for the same reason, but once again, it's not going to be blurry for you. So this library is not as big as the previous one, but it's also really decent. Here you get a couple of really decent movie applications, 2 live sports apps, and a couple of utility applications. I bet you'll find those apps quite useful. And now let me show you even more codes for today. So we go back, click on Add a Store, and we need to enter 8970. Once again, it's 8970. Click on Next, Add, go to Saved Stores, and select that store from the list. Click on Open. So that store is pretty big. They got around 20 or 30 apps. So there are some utility applications which are quite useful on Firesticks, movie apps, speed test, web browsers, live TV applications, media players, IPTV players, UK TV applications, team viewers, and even more IPTV apps. So that's a pretty decent selection. Make sure to check it out yourself when you are using Applinked. And now let me show you the last code of the day. It's going to be 122024. Click on Next. Click on Add, go to Saved Stores. Just like previously, select that store from the list and let's open it. Here you'll find alternative launcher applications, movie apps, VPNs, live TV players, sports apps, the best available IPTV players, and of course top class TV shows applications. So today you learned about the best new AppLink codes which you can use in 2024. If the video is helpful, make sure to hit the like button so we can create even more content for you, and see you next time. Bye bye.